So lexical issues are the errors that come during the compilation of a Java program. We have 7 different types of lexical issues that are first is white space, which basically includes the spaces, the tab space and the new lines. Second comes identifiers. These are the names given to variables, classes and objects. We have certain rules to name a specific class or an object. That is, I'll explain it with an example: average temperature underscore 1 and to count, which is wrong. Now why is it wrong is we can't write a number right before the name. We can use alphanumeric characters, but it shouldn't be used first. It should be written like average temperature underscore 1. Here we used letters, underscore and a number also, so it is correct. Now third type is literals. Literals are constant values given. So we have different type of literals like integer, that is just number 10, character enclosed in single quotes, string enclosed in double quotes, and boolean enclosed, that's true or false. Comments, these are just used to like read the code. We have 3 different type of comments. Single line comment, just write 2 hashes and write your content. Double line comment, hash, star, write your content, star and hash, that is the way to end it. The last way is documentation type of comment. It is used for HTML writing. So hash, double star, content, star and hash. We now come to the main topic, that's operators. Arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Logical operators, they are used to compare certain conditions or numbers for a specific value. Relation is again to check if both the conditions are equal, like double equal to assignment operator. Ternary uses 3 operators, that is, if the condition is true, it will go to the first case. If it is not true, that's false, it will go to second case. Now we come to assignment operator, that is again shorthand form of writing the operators, like plus equals to the same as saying plus plus or I plus 1, like that. And unary will just be one operator, that is either plus or minus or plus plus or minus minus. We come to the shift operators, that is left shift and right shift, which is used to just shift the binary bits either to the left side or the right side. The next is the separators. Separators used to separate many codes of lines in one statement. So we have many types, like semicolon is used to terminate a statement. Comma is used to end like one specific word in many statements. Round brackets are used for conditions. Curly braces are used for blocks of code, and square brackets are used for array size and so on. Keywords are predefined words that are already set in the Java library file, so you can't use them in naming a class or an object or any variable. So examples are while, for, if, do. If you try to like name a class with the keyword, it will give an error. Thank you.